Welcome to the project Robot to Rescue of Your Child in Borehole. So in this project we are using ESP32 cam for live streaming, which is attached to the gripper. So here we can see this is the gripper which pick up the child from which is used to pick up the child from borehole. And this is a DC motor which is attached to the gripper for open and close. And this DC motor is used for gripper open and close using spur gear mechanism. And next, this motor is used for gripper up and down motion, so which drive the ESP32 cam using L293D motor driver. This IC is used for direct to change the motor directions based on the user request, which receive the ESP32 cam from web app. And this to run this project we are using 12 volts 2 amps battery. So this battery pack consists of 12 volts 1 amp. So here we are using 2 battery packs, so total 12 volts 2 amps battery. And this is LM2596 voltage regulator, so which converts 12 volts to 2 amps voltage to 5 volts. That 5 volts we are giving input to the ESP32 cam. So this is step down transformer, so which converts 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. The 12 volts AC we are giving input to the rectifier, bridge rectifier, so which converts 12 volts AC to 12 volts pulsating DC. That pulse are removed with the help of capacitor, and thus 12 volts steady DC we are giving input to the battery for charging. Here we can see LED is on. LED will get switched on to indicate the battery charging. So here we can see the ESP32 cam, so the main controlling part of the device. So let us see the demonstration. So before demonstration we should enable the project hotspot to our mobile hotspot. The project hotspot name is project 5514. Okay, and next password should be 129. Next, AP band should be 2.4 GHz. So after enabling the hotspot, we should install the network analyzer app from Google Play Store. So enabling the hotspot. So we can see. So after enabling the hotspot, here we can see device is connected, and here we can get. So we should install the network analyzer app from Play Store. After installation, go to LAN scan and do the scan. So here we can get the IP address of ESP Express, IP address of ESP32 cam 192.168.107.224. So copy that IP address and paste into the Google. So here we can see the live streaming. So this web page consists of buttons and along with live streaming. So by using button we can control the robot. Push up, down, down, up, down, zipper open and close. Headlight, so headlight on and off. Start. So this robot will pick up the child from borehole. Pick the child from borehole. This robot pick up the child from borehole. So here we can this is charging circuit. So this is transformer slot. So the output of transformer. Here we are connecting these 2 pins and this is battery. So keep the battery charging at least 8 hours. Thank you for watching demo.